Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, universal garage door opener, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.